Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a wireless IP camera. You can view it with your phone, HD video, two-way audio, Wi-Fi connection, 32 feet night vision, and it has pan and tilt. 1080 is the quality. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. So right away, they give you the manual, the user guide. You get the accessories, they're all inside this box here. So they provide you with an outlet charger, bracket, a long USB power cable, 2 screws if you want to mount it. And this is the camera. You can connect it with internet or Wi-Fi. There's room for an SD card, reset, and right in here. So this is how you power it. Go ahead, plug this in just like this. And now you can plug this in anything with the USB or plug it in here and then plug it into your wall outlet. Just like that. So once you plug it in, it's going to go through its mode. So this is what it looks like up close. It does rotate completely around the whole way, side to side. And then you can tilt it upward the whole way like that and down the whole way. So make sure you go to your manual, make sure you download the app, follow all the instructions. Overall, it looks like a nice unit.